Alright guys, we are on our way to go to a double-decker bus. Jason, y'all will be taking the train today, right Jay?
Yeah. Are you taking the train?
Yep, we're taking the Simcon bus, the
Bus?
ferry, and the one train to the Cube. Are you excited?
That's pouchy.
And that is this one right here, and it's the one that is coming. Are you ready for a rockin' day of adventure?
He was here before. We was there.
Yep, we haven't took this bus before.
Yeah.
We're going through all the Simcons. We've been on all the buses in the city. Now you gotta be on the Simcon buses. The big buses.
I'm not frustrated anymore.
Keep it on you, because you got hot and you overheated. So keep it on you. You need it.
What? In the cup?
Buddy, we are now walking towards the farm, right, Jay?
Give me a sparkling Happy Meal.
Say we're walking towards the farm.
Mom, give me a sparkling
Snack break. We're halfway there. This is where we are. What you got?
Chicken nuggets and fries. 2 chicken nuggets.
And I have a chicken burger with whatever and french fries.
With fries.
Yep. We took a snack break, so we'll catch us in a couple minutes.
Good.
Now at the Queen's Farm. See, we're at the Queen's Farm. What do you want to go check out first?
The cows.
Check out the cows? Come on.
It say no scooters.
No scooters? Let me get the scooter. Look, they got plants for sale for $1. You want to buy a plant?
No.
I do. And look, there's a park right there you can go to afterwards. You see the cows? Look at the chickens. So this is where you get to after a long travel on the queue. MQ5. You'll walk straight down till you get past the McDonald's, and then you walk up a hill, and it's just a straight shot, and then you'll see the Queen's Farm. You see the chickens? You like it? Look at me, look at me. Can I see your face? Whoa, come on, let's keep seeing. What else is here?
I think chicken pox.
Chicken pox?
Wow.
Queen's Farm. What did you see there?
Apple.
We saw apples. We saw sheep. We saw goat. We saw cows. You see the beehive? You see the butterflies? Can you show them your plant? We got these plants. So I'll say today was a great day. And we gotta take the bus all the way down to catch the F on like the 7 train. So yeah.
Left train.
My face is breaking out from all the heat and my allergies.